Hey, I've got the original O Cedar spin mop handle here with the head. If you're looking for some great replacements, I wanted to show these to you. Now the brand did send this to me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Two questions I had with this are, is this quality and are they gonna fit the original head? So here's the original head. Here are the mop heads that they send you. And if you can see, this doesn't fit. To my pleasant surprise, they actually give you the correct size. This is the original, just thread it off. Go ahead and thread on the one that they give you. And now look, we are ready to go. Just pop this on, I'm gonna snap it in. There you go. We have a great replacement head that fits. So they give you two of these, which is great. These are machine washable, super absorbent microfiber. They work really well. They give you two of these. So you're just gonna slide these right over top of the head. See that? This is like one of those microfiber mitts that you put on to wash your car. Now you have it right on this handle. You can get all over your car, on top of the roof, everywhere without having to break your back. And this is gonna be great for washing walls and washing windows outside of your house. Really, the uses are limitless for this. So here's the deck brush. It just pops right into the housing. This is gonna be great for any hard floor surface, any wall, grout, anything that you just need more cleaning power. You've got these nylon bristles on here. These things work great. So you've got an entire system. We got a deck brush. We got two of these microfibers for the car, walls, window. We got two of the big microfiber mops for any floor surface. So they give you the housing that's gonna fit on your mop handle. So there you have it. Pick this up. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.